I'm going to delay my break a little bit longer. I thought of a way to kind of work around this. I was like, what is the real problem here? Let's go back to the other monitor for a second. No, let's not do that yet. Um, Here, this will work. Just the Windows 10. I think of Windows 10 as the other monitor. What we really need is one of these windows. Probably this one. Um, Not yet. What I really need is where would it be at? It would probably be in my downloads. In this one. On the desktop. A folder called Mean Book. Guess I'll just put it on the desktop. There it is. Alright, that'll take a second too. But at least it's doing it on the fast machine now. So it'll take that second. Take a little zen moment and try and think through our workflow here. I want to take chapter 5 out of there and then push it. I'll use the Windows 10 GUI that I've been complaining that I don't get to use the Windows 10 GUI on the Windows 7 machine, but for what I'm trying to do right now, I can actually. If I'm just going to push a clean copy to GitHub, I can use the 10 to do that, and then I can use I can pull it down on Windows 7. So there we go. Now we'll come in here. We'll get our copy. Wait, what is this? I think this is the wrong book. Did I get a bad copy before? Weird. I feel like I've opened the wrong zip. Alright, let's do something here for a second. Just to confirm. Mean Web Development, second edition code. Uh, maybe I've maybe I deleted my chapter 6 and didn't realize it, and I've just been working on a false assumption this whole time. This whole thing I wanted to figure out if I was, I think my I thought I was ready to start with Angular, but I think it's the OAuth in chapter 6 is which is what's blocking Angular at the moment. So, what to do? Let's confirm. This is the book we're reading, Web Development, Mean Web Development, second edition. One author. because he also writes the one where we'll do next. It's got 3 authors. That's what I thought I might be getting this mixed up with. To elaborate, we want code files for this. Just look like they're not here now. There they are. I don't know. Let's see. I don't know. I didn't see them before. Yes, sir. Here. The code file disappears as you zoom in. Chapter 6. Well, I'll be Bungalow. His README even says it doesn't include chapters 1 and 4. I read that earlier. I was like, well, that's a typo. What I must have done is extracted this on 7, and instead of trying to pull out, I think I do, fine, whatever. I've got chapter 6 to work with. So, I'm going to go ahead and do both of them then. I've already got 7 up there. I'm going to take 5 and 6. I'm going to pull them out of my main desktop. Bam. There they are. Brackets, packets. Alright. That being said, I think I'm ready to go back to my other monitor. So this is usually over here. This is usually my, where are we at? 8 minutes. Okay. I'm going to try and switch hands a little bit. Wear that arm out if I don't pay attention to it. So what I'm going to do, let's see, stop streaming, stop recording. Nope, we're good on all that. Let's just, what we'll do is switch or display capture. I'm going to take that, kind of open up its options. There we go. And your arrays index 0 is our primary monitor, so we're just going to capture the other one that's bigger. We're back over there. That's the one I'm usually on. And there's a reason I don't record my primary. If when I open up security stuff, I'm hoping that it'll default open to the primary monitor. So if I have to open something up while I'm recording the show, this is my auxiliary monitor. The bigger one, actually. That's what I try and record most of the stuff on. And then leave the production stuff that you just saw over on the main monitor, which is smaller but off to the side. So let's bring our main browser. It's the book and GitHub. We got all the material here now. We got chapter 5, 6, and 7. We got our notes. So we got everything that we've been working with for this course on the desktop over here. Okay, let's close some of this stuff off on my main monitor, get organized again. Close that, close that, close that, close that. Might keep this. Might keep this too, actually. That was kind of handy. That's what I should do, is just make all these repositories. Might be overkill. I think it is. Let's do these. This one's already up. And I wonder if that's what's got the little file. Alright, so I remember what I did yesterday. It was so much easier than what I've been trying to do today. Just keep complaining it's the 32-bit that's getting in my way. Let's see if that's true. Because we're getting this far. Let's try that again. What we'll need is... try that one instead. So when I open these, they're going over to my other monitor. Okay. That's feeling better. Okay, let's do a rescan. Stage changed. Yes. Actually, it was doing that on the other, so I may have been okay. That looks promising, but nope. Okay, it just says I couldn't find it. So we can fix that. We can go, I thought it was going to create it for us. We can give you something to find. You better find it before I give you something to find. Uh, hey, look, I got an active day. I got 7 contributions yesterday. One contribution. But now I got 7. That makes me look active. I should make a auto script to just like push stuff up and delete it. Let's see. 7's obviously enough to hit that dark green. Maybe I could do it randomly. So like some days I'll get, see, 1, 2, 3, random one of 4 different colors. So just like fill my thing up for me all the time. Uh, and it's just like uploading and deleting the same repository over and over. Somebody'd catch on, but it might be a fun project just to like kind of social engineer a GitHub hack or whatever. I don't know. I'm brainstorming. It's not worth spending the time on it. Just because it's funny that really my repository, like what's available through my, like basically all that was deleted. It was all experimental. That's my point. So what we done here? Let's make a new one. There we go. New repository. That's what I've been looking for. Oh wait, import. That might be better. So we can import. Just because I haven't even tried it yet. We should be able to import that local one. If so, that'll solve all our problems. It'd have to be like localhost. Chrome. Alright. Never mind. It won't solve all our problems. Just makes different ones. Which are about the same as the old. So we'll just go with new. Is that still on the... You gonna let me name my name them the same? Let's try this part again. That's not what I wanted either. I need to find out what license he's using. I'm tempted to... I guess that would be it. I hope that's it, knock on wood. I need to look up what license he's using for... It might be the MIT. I know everybody says it's open source. That's probably it. But I could be wrong. I don't know if he was an MIT student or if that even matters when you use the MIT license. I need to just do a whole episode where we research the license, at least those top 3. There we go. We'll do an episode where we read into that a little bit. What am I missing? Alright, I didn't click on that yet. The unlicensed is a license. How's that not going? Why are you not working for me? That was weird. It said it was creating, but maybe it did create it. Just kind of locked up there. Updated 3 minutes ago. I couldn't see it. Okay. This might be what I was missing right here, I think. Let's try this and see what we get. I think that's what I did last night. Or yes, yeah. We gotta get there first. Yeah, I really could have just done these two. That's what I needed. Success. Finally, we got chapter 5. Alright, we're making progress. Let's try this again so I can figure out my workflow. Then we'll take our lunch break, kinda. I ate breakfast not too long ago, but I still want to get up and stretch my legs. Uh, so that was chapter 5. Let's go to, that'll work. Let's go to chapter 6. Those are all up arrows. Now let's do what? Let's do get and it. Six dot get. That might work actually. Let's see. Repository. Okay, it's all chapter 5. What is this? It's chapter 5. Go to chapter 6. Open GUI here. Okay, this is our GUI on 6. Unstaged changes, staged changes to a commit. Unlock the index. We're going to go to chapter 6. It's funny. I think we can just go with chapter 6 and be alright here. I'm a little overboard on the last one. That was 6. Okay. So last time it hung up there. Okay, this time we're in it. Fetch first, huh? Fraggle Rock. I know it was getting too easy. I'm missing something. Reinitialized, so it already was. It said fetch first. Okay, we got a success. Okay. Try this again. Got everything but 6 working. As far as this GitHub deal goes. Let's try that again. There's a step I'm missing. It's kind of why I want to videotape these. I can try and take notes later and watch what works and what doesn't. I can go back and watch 5 and 7. Well, I think I deleted most, and the 7 will still be in the archives on Twitch if I need to. But I can go back and watch what I did do. Be like, oh, that's what I'm forgetting. Because I know I've got it to work. I'm just forgetting something, like an easy, obvious step along the way. Creating the workflow. It's kind of why you want to go through some repetition and get these out. Like, the more often you do it, the more often you remember what's important. So that being said, so what we've got over here. We might be getting our way. going into another long episode. I'll go ahead and take a break. I may have to go back and watch what I did to make those work. And really, I mean, the fact that we even got a copy of 6 is a blessing. Somehow I missed that. I think instead of pulling it out like this on the Windows 7, I think I just deleted it, or like I moved it, and then I deleted it thinking I'd be able to go back and get it. I don't know. Somehow I've missed that. Chapter 6. That might clear some stuff up. So in this one, we should be able to get our OAuth working. And in this one, we should be able to get our Angular working. So that's kind of where we're at. We've definitely had code working at the end of chapter 5. We didn't think we had any code to play with for chapter 6. Was trying to find a shortcut around it. And now we're going into chapter 7. We're stuck at Angular's loading page. So that being said, we're trying to get a copy of 6 up to GitHub, and we'll go from there.